Ready. Mr. Speaker, sir, I do not support the text of the resolution of the Honorable Member from the opposition, Professor Madhu Dandavati, but I share its spirit. Stop. Professor Madhu Dandavati is one of the learned members present in the House, and he is one of the knowledgeable persons in economic science and the economy of our country. Stop. While he speaks on such issues and subjects inside or outside the House, as students of politics and economics, we learn and try to learn more. Stop. But unfortunately, today in the House, I would say with great regret that while I share the views and I am impressed by the knowledge and wisdom of Professor Madhu Dandavate, I do not share his conviction. Stop. He intelligently avoided certain basic issues which are responsible for poverty and made it very acute. Stop. Para. Professor Madhu Dandavate in the last part of his speech dealing with the resolution tried to bring back again Mahatma Gandhi in a modest manner, highlighting and apprehending certain things about our prime ministers and the present prime minister who is functioning and has stated that the sophisticated computerized technology should not be a regular fashion in enlisting view to curb the poverty line in the villages. Stop. Thus, he questioned the motive of Prime Minister with great humility and respect. I tried to remind Professor Madhu Dandavate that Mahatma Gandhi was not opposed to science and technology, and possibly Professor Madhu Dandavate shares the view that even Gurudev Tagore had serious differences with Mahatma Gandhi during the time of Rashtriya Charkha. Stop. Though many congressmen did not like the views expressed by Tagore, ultimately it was found that Tagore was also not untrue in his conviction, and it does not mean there was a confrontation between Tagore and Mahatma Gandhi. Stop. We tried to accept both in the real perspective in their appropriate places. When we think of the present Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi's views on when we think of the present Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi's views on more sophisticated technology in science and other matters, I feel it is really a great fortune of the country that he holds such views, because poverty really cannot be eliminated by mere figures of the planning commissions or by the speeches and word battles here and there by political parties. Stop. Para. The essential ingredient in the economy of the whole world today is the use of the more advanced science and technology to fight poverty from grassroots. Stop. Therefore, if Professor Madhu Dandavate comes down a little from his unfounded elitist viewpoint, stop, I hope he would agree with viewpoint of Sri Rajiv Gandhi, our Prime Minister, that today's economic growth in the villages also stop.